Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about two of the most talked about AI building platforms in 2026, Base44 and Replit Agent. If you are trying to decide which one you should use for your projects, your business, or your creative work, then stay tuned because in this video we are going to break everything down in a clear and simple way. I am going to walk you through what each tool does, how they work, who they are best for, and the kind of results you can expect from each one. So by the end, you will know which one is the right fit for you and your goals. Let us start by understanding the core difference between these two platforms. Base44 is an AI-powered builder that lets you create websites, apps, landing pages, dashboards, and full online experiences just by talking to the AI. Instead of writing code or dragging blocks around, I personally work by giving the AI instructions. I might say, make the hero section bold and clean with a strong headline and smooth buttons, or I might say add a section for testimonials with 3 cards and star ratings, and Base44 updates my website instantly. This feels like working with a creative digital partner that understands layout, spacing, visual appeal, and user experience without me doing technical work. Replit Agent is very different. Replit Agent is built for people who work with code. It is like having a smart programming assistant inside your coding environment. You still type code, you still look at files and folders, you still set up environments and write logic, but the AI helps you do it faster and more effectively. You might ask it to build a login system or write a function or connect a database and it will generate code, explain how everything works, and fix errors when needed. So instead of building without code, like Base44, Replit Agent helps you build with code in a smarter and faster way. Now when you start using Base44, the experience is smooth and simple. You type your idea and it builds a full layout. Then you refine it by giving natural language instructions like change this page to a darker modern theme, or make this button larger and centered, or add icons to each feature card, and it responds right away. It makes the building process feel almost like a conversation. The system already understands layout and modern design trends, so the result looks clean, professional, and ready to publish. It is like having a designer, developer, and copywriter in one AI tool. In Replit Agent, the experience is more technical. When you start a project, you see your coding workspace. You can ask the AI to set up your project structure, or generate files, or explain code, and it will do it. But you still think like a developer. You write logic, debug code, use terminals, and handle deployment. So if you love coding, or you want to become a professional developer, or you are building complex back-end systems, then this tool feels powerful and exciting. But if you do not like coding or do not want to deal with technical steps, this will feel too complicated. Design is a major difference. Base44 gives you clean, modern, visually appealing designs automatically. It handles spacing, typography, colors, layout flow, and responsive behavior, even if you have zero design background. And if you want to change the style, you simply tell it, update this to a more premium business look, or make this page feel playful and colorful, and it updates the style instantly. It is like having an AI designer right next to you. Replit Agent, on the other hand, does not design your interface for you. It focuses on code and logic, so if you want a beautiful UI, you have to build it yourself using CSS Tailwind or a UI framework. The quality of the visual design depends entirely on your skills. Let us talk about features, because this is where the experience really separates. Base44 combines AI building, hosting, database tools, SEO capabilities, content creation, image generation, and publishing all in one system. You can build and publish a website in hours or even minutes. It is built for speed, clarity, and ease. Replit Agent gives you professional programming power. You can install packages, manage databases, write full-stack logic, and deploy apps. It is more powerful for deep software development, but also more complex. You get flexibility and control, but you also carry responsibility for technical decisions. Now you might ask which one is easiest to use, and the answer is Base44. There is almost no learning curve. You give instructions, it builds. You adjust with new instructions, it updates. Replit Agent still requires programming knowledge, or at least a learning mindset. You will be dealing with code errors and software concepts, even though the AI helps pricing-wise. Both have free plans. Base44 lets you build and preview for free, and you upgrade when you want a domain, more AI usage, and advanced features. Replit gives free access as well, but if you run bigger applications or want advanced compute power and AI features, you will eventually pay more. So Base44 pricing feels predictable, while Replit pricing depends on your technical demands. Now here comes the big question, which one should you choose? If you want a fast and professional website or dashboard or marketing page or online tool, and you do not want to code, Base44 is the best choice. It is perfect for creators, students, business owners, agencies, freelancers, and anyone who wants a professional result quickly without stress. If you are learning to code already comfortable coding or building complex apps where you need full control, Replit Agent is the better choice. It is perfect for developers, tech learners, engineers, and people who want deep customization. And here is something very important. You do not need to pick only one. You can combine them. You can use Base44 to build your website, your portfolio, your landing page, your dashboard, or your company site. Then use Replit Agent for projects where you need custom backend logic or advanced systems. They are not competing for the same purpose. They complement each other. So to summarize, Base44 gives you speed, simplicity, clarity, beautiful results, and no coding. Replit Agent gives you power, flexibility, control, and advanced coding capability. Choosing between them depends on your personality, your goals, and the type of projects you want to build. If you want instant polished results, choose Base44. If you love coding and want deep control, choose Replit Agent. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you decide, hit like, subscribe, and comment below whether you plan to try Base44 or Replit Agent, and let me know what you are building. I would love to hear your ideas and help guide you in your building journey. See you in the next one.